I'm now doing a video to continue my demonstration of the Lovable program that can turn a game idea into real. So what I'm showing to you is a game developed by Lovable. So what it does is basically a basic like marble play, right, where you have the option of placing different tiles on a multi-layer map. And let me show you what I've built by using a template like this one. So when I click play, right, you can see the marble being launched. And then there's a 3 layer. So now it's the second layer going up. Some nice bouncy thing going on. And then with a trampoline, jumping the ball around. And then speeding things up a little bit. Going up to the third level. I think really fast. There's a cannon. Okay, and going down 1 level. And there you go, reaching the end of the line. Okay, so yeah, so how it works is that you can actually save it. So this is already saved under my name, and then you can also like modify it by clicking the various tile. You can rotate it, and then what is so great about it is that there's actually a menu. So if I click exit, you can select settings, and then you can have a menu, and you can actually select your own music. So yeah, so this is it. Thank you.